Skyhook positioners. Sync-O lift Skyhook Lauya Ng BOTA Engineering Skyhook positioners. The Sync-Ro lift Skyhook positioner represents the newest product developed in Lauya Ng BOTA. It is an evolution of the standard head and tailstock positioners. It performs an optimum ergonomics for welding and assembly processes, thanks to the possibility of turning the working piece by 180. The positioner is composed by a fixed column and a rotating arm, performing three main movements: upward-downward movements, turning over and rotation by 360. The L-type positioner can also be easily customized in height, length of the arm, and in load capacity up to 10.000 kg. Features: Skyhook Colonna Rinforza Skyhook positioners. Master lifting column designed and built to ensure maximum rigidity and precision of movement. Skyhook Rolle Rotazione Electrica Skyhook positioners. L-arm with integrated fifth wheel for 360 electric rotation advanced anti-collision safety system. Rotolift Voltage GGI Skyhook positioners. Touchscreen HMI with teaching system for automatic programming of movement steps. Skyhook Pulls Anti-Era Skyhook positioners. Remote push-button panel to facilitate control. Skyhook Rotazione 180 gradi Skyhook positioners. 180 tilting of the workpiece. Graphico Sync-Ro lift Skyhook positioners. Reduced operating time by 60%, resulting in increased productivity. Sync-Ro lift Voltage GGI Skyhook positioners. Available voltage: 400V 50-60 Hz C, 480V 60 Hz complied, 600V 60 Hz CSA complied. Skyhook Personalizes Herbal Skyhook positioners. Customizable column height and arm length according to customer requirements. Skyhooks. Skyhook positioner. Lauya Ng BOTA manufactures to access robotic Skyhook positioners with up to a 200,000 kg capacity. The units are designed to accept servo motor and external access control from a robot, or we can provide servo motors and controls or variable frequency drives and motors. Our Skyhook positioners provide to access motion, continuous rotation, and 180 tilt from the horizontal table position. The work table S surface can be specified at specific distances below the tilt axis and away from the swing arm. We can produce Skyhooks in custom sizes and configurations in addition to those listed below.